En este vídeo os presentamos una configuración total que hemos hecho a petición de un cliente al que le mandamos un cordial saludo desde aquí, el cual nos pedía que pusiéramos el Mini Matrix a todo lujo de accesorios. Os vamos a enseñar todo lo que le hemos puesto a este fabuloso kayak. En los raíles laterales de babor y estribor, en este caso hemos colocado un portaelementos cañero a ambos lados de Railblaza. Todo esto que estáis viendo son los accesorios de Railblaza que podéis ver en nuestra web. Como decía, un extensor de caña con su cañero a ambos lados en los raíles, portabotellas, portaelementos, un eje con una plataforma para sujetar nuestro móvil cuando vamos en navegación. En la zona de la proa ya podéis ver el famoso palo cámara boom para grabar nuestros recorridos con nuestra cámara de acción. Una anilla que viene muy bien para tema de amarre, de fondeo, y en la parte trasera también hemos colocado otra anilla en el raíl derecho y una cornamusa con base de Starport en la parte trasera. Además, hemos cambiado la pala del timón que trae de serie por la extra larga de aluminio que le va a ayudar a maniobrar mucho mejor. También hemos realizado la instalación de la sonda Lowrance, una Hook 2.4X con GPS. Hemos aprovechado la pedalera para colocarla con una base de Railblaza que acoplamos o atornillamos directamente, en este caso, a la pedalera. La alimentación del transductor y de la batería viene por este prensa estopa. En el interior del kayak hemos pegado el transductor llevándolo siempre protegido, y además la batería la introducimos en la bolsa estanca de regalo que damos a nuestros clientes por la compra de un kayak, llevándolo todo bien recogido en su interior.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the...
Bueno amigos, espero que os haya gustado esta configuración que hemos hecho con los accesorios de Railblaza y la instalación de la sonda para este cliente. La verdad que ha quedado sensacional, parece un acorazado. Si te ha gustado, suscríbete, dale a la campanita y recuerda, los vídeos son gratuitos. Con ello nos vas a motivar a seguir haciendo muchos más. Visita nuestra página web y recuerda, suscríbete y aquí te dejamos otro vídeo.